You're going to the gym today to do chest. Expect success, demand success. You are the muscle. The muscle is what you are. There's nothing else that matters during this time.
So when I went into the gym, I put my gym bag down and I immediately attacked the weights. Every day when I go to sleep, every day when I wake up, I look at those pictures and they motivate me. You need that motivation, and then therefore you have this kind of imprint in front of you all the time, and you know exactly what you're chasing. And I said, oh my God, I never even thought about that, that is humanly possible. And then I pushed myself to go up to then the next weight up, boom, boom, all the way to the top, and then you just can't do it.
Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better. See, I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way.